Alright guys, welcome back. Roast pig cooking. We gotta do some spare ribs today in the oven, right in the home. A lot of people are asking me, mainly on Instagram. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram at roast pig cooking. What do I do if I don't have a smoker? Well, today I'm gonna show you. First thing, if you don't have a smoker, check out that video reviewing the smoker I use. Maybe you'll decide whether you want one, don't want one. It's up to you. But today we're gonna do a nice rack of St. Louis spare ribs right in the oven. Super easy, super flavorful. Gonna be great. Doing it right now. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you just how easy this is. I got my rack of St. Louis style spare ribs right here. They're all cleaned up. Remove the membrane here. In the video I have of smoking these spare ribs, I'll show you how to clean all of them from the full rack of spare ribs, taking the rib tips off and everything. But if you usually find them in the store, St. Louis cut just like this. You could just use these. You could use them in baby bags. You could use baby backs like this. Anyway, the baby backs are going to take a shorter time to cook. So I just take a little oil, rub that in. Now I have our barbecue dry rub. This is just a mixture of brown sugar, paprika, cumin, coriander, salt, pepper. I'll list all the ingredients in the description. And this is what's going to give that nice barbecue flavor. So we're just going to generously coat this. Make sure we cover all the meat. And then we're going to pat that down. So our rub is sticking to our oil. And make sure this oil stays on the meat. We want to pat it. We don't want to rub it, because then we're going to rub all of our seasoning off. So just pat it down nicely. It's like this. Give it a flip. And do the same thing to the other side. Some oil. Get that rubbed on. And our dry rub. Same thing. Coat everything. Pat that down again. Alright, now come with me. Let me show you just how complicated this is to make these beautiful ribs right at home in your own kitchen. Take them right into a 300-degree oven. Those will be done in about 3 hours. We'll give them a check, and that's it. Alright, so our ribs have been in the oven just under 3 hours. They're looking great right here. You can see the meat starting to pull away from the bone. That's what we're looking for. You know, they're nice and tender. You could take the temperature. You want it around 205, 206 in that range, 210. And you could feel just how easily this goes in if they're tender or not. Oh yeah. Yeah, 207. 208. You could just feel. I mean, these are butter. And this is just in the oven. We don't have a fancy smoker. We just put a nice barbecue rub on them. These feels great. Let this hang out for like 15 minutes or so, and then we'll cut them up. Smell awesome too. All right, took these out of the oven, just under 3 hours, 300 degrees. It's cutting like nothing. Super tender. Look at that juice. Man. Might have to just sell my smoker. Just put them right in the oven. These are so good. I got a little sauce here. Of course, they're great just like this, but if you prefer sauce, just give it a little brush on there. That's beautiful. This is a vinegar-based barbecue sauce I made. I'll link below the recipe for that. But sticking with the theme of just having nice, easy ribs to do at home, get your favorite store-bought barbecue sauce. No problem. Just heat it up a little bit, brush it on, you're ready to go. Get a bite of this. Oh yeah, that's good. See the bite mark there? Meat's not falling off, so you know it's perfectly cooked. Spice rub is great, great flavor. Perfectly tender. Plenty of meat on these spare ribs. Just under 3 hours in the oven, 300 degrees, you're good to go. Well guys, thanks for watching. Give this a try. This is really dynamite. Like the video, helps the channel grow. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see you next time.